everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a little Ulta haul for you guys, so I am gonna jump right into it. But if you want to see makeup tutorials, booktube videos, and more hauls like this one, make sure you click subscribe and check out my other videos on my channel. Now let's get started. So I have a bag full of stuff here. Some of this is my mom's, some of it's mine, but I figured I would just show it all together and show you what I got. So I think all of this is skincare related. Nothing is actual makeup, I don't think. So the first thing is my mom's, and this is a, oh, that's messing with my camera. This is a from Vitamin C Beauty, so SEA Beauty, and it's their exfoliating face scrub with Manoi oil and sea kelp. So it's supposed to clear away dead skin cells and blackheads, firm, smooth, heals, and clarifies. So she got this one, and oh my gosh, is this only like half full? It is. It's only like filled to here, like it must have settled or something. I can see in the light that it's not like full. That's, is it like sealed? Oh, it's sealed, so it wasn't like a return that got reshelved. And then I got a scrub from them as well, which is also like half full. What the heck? This is sea salt coconut, and this one is meant to balance and soften, scrub away dirt, hydrates thirsty skin, and visibly reduces blemishes. So we have very different skin types. She just wants one that is gonna more kind of get rid of everyday sort of dirt and grime, and for me, I wanted to hydrate my skin a little bit because it has been a bit dry, and also of course calm my blemishes down. So we're gonna see how those work. Then I picked up, why is every product I hold up, like, I think I fixed the problem by moving the camera down a bit. So the next thing that we got is the Pacifica Kale Water. This is like my third bottle. It is the best makeup remover I have used in a long time. The only one I would say is better is the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm, but this is much cheaper and a little bit more natural and stuff. But I use this just in the morning as well to wipe down my face when I wake up, and it makes my skin so nice for the day. So I really like this. So I'm gonna keep purchasing this, and my mom's been using it too and she likes it. Then I picked up some face razors. I've been out for a little while and I desperately need them for like along here. Like I just get a lot of peach fuzz right on the corners down here. It's very light, but my foundation likes to kind of bunch up and cake up there, and then obviously just like in the middle here with my brows. So got 3 of these. They each come with a little cover. The one just kind of fell off, but this is just the Ulta brand ones. They're a little bit smaller than the Twinkle ones, which I kind of like. So we're gonna give those a shot. Then I ran out of cleanser yesterday, so I got a different kind. This is the Biore Rose Quartz and Charcoal. So it says a deep clean and radiate self-love. I think this is pretty gimmicky. With the rose quartz, it's a natural crystal and stone node to radiate self-love and care. I think they're just trying to play into everybody buying crystals and everyone thinking they're a witch, which some people definitely are, but some people are definitely on Instagram too much. But yeah, I got it because I like their charcoal cleanser and it looked fun, so I fell for the gimmick. Then I got a new toner as well. This is from Pacifica, and this is the Acne Warrior one. It's like in this cool kind of unicorn looking packaging, and it's a cleaning astringent. So this is with witch hazel, cucumber, and niacinamide, and it's for acne prone skin, salicylic acid, supposed to do all the good stuff for your face and your acne. And then I also got the Mario Badescu facial spray. This is the only one I haven't tried, and this is the aloe, chamomile, and lavender one, and this is meant to like calm your skin, provide some anti-aging and like leave your skin really balanced. I like to spray this on in the morning to freshen up my skin after I've been sleeping, and maybe it looks a little sad, a little gray. So yeah, that's it. Like I said, this was a really tiny haul, but I thought I would share with you guys some new products, and I will have a favorites video at the end of this month because I think I'll have enough products to go off of. But yeah, this is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.